exploring a circle of friends, the beauty of connections. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a beautiful phrase that describes social connections and friendships, a circle of friends. Whether you're new to English or looking to enrich your vocabulary, this video will unfold the layers of meaning behind this common expression. So, let's get started. The phrase, a circle of friends, refers to a group of people who are closely connected by friendship. Imagine a circle where everyone is equally spaced around the edge, facing inwards. This circle represents unity, connection, and equality among friends. Each person in this circle shares a bond with others, creating a supportive and inclusive environment. It's not just about having friends. It's about being part of a community where everyone feels valued and connected. Why do we use the word circle to describe this group of friends? A circle is endless, with no beginning or end, symbolizing the continuous and enduring nature of these friendships. It represents a safe and closed space where every member is important and contributes to the harmony of the group. This imagery helps us understand the depth of these relationships and the mutual support they provide. You might hear or use a circle of friends in various contexts. For example, she introduced me to her circle of friends, and I felt welcomed immediately. Our circle of friends gets together every weekend to catch up and relax. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe the close-knit nature of a friendship group, emphasizing the idea of inclusion and community. The beauty of a circle of friends is that it's always possible to expand it. Making new friends and inviting others into your circle enriches the group with diverse perspectives and experiences. It's about creating a welcoming space where new relationships can flourish alongside existing ones. Remember, the strength of a circle lies in its unity and the mutual respect among its members. We hope this exploration of a circle of friends has illuminated the rich layers of meaning behind this common phrase. It's more than just a way to describe a group of friends. It's a reflection of unity, equality, and enduring support. As you continue on your English language learning journey, remember the power of words to capture the beauty of human connections. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning!